Graffiti, art or vandalism? Banksy is a British graffiti artist. No one knows who he is because graffiti is a crime, so he keeps his real name and identity a secret. Banksy's art often features rats, children, policemen and old people. He's famous for expressing his opinions on social and political issues through his work, usually against war and violence. For example, after a United Nations conference about climate change, he painted a mural of the wall which included the words, "I don't believe in global warming," with the words underwater. His work isn't always serious though. He wrote, "We're bored of fish" on the wall of the penguin enclosure at London Zoo. Today, many people are interested in graffiti and street art thanks to Banksy effect, and his art is worth a lot of money. In a recent survey, people voted his image, Girl with Balloon, Britain's best loved work of art. It's an image of a sad little girl who watches her heart-shaped red balloon blow away in the wind. Banksy first graffitied this image on a wall in London in 2002. Now you can find it everywhere, on posters, cards and mugs. In 2019, a signed print of Girl with Balloon was sold for more than £1 million. But several years earlier, Banksy had secretly built a shredder into the picture frame, and someone activated it moments after the painting was sold. The shredder cut the painting into small strips. Everyone was really shocked. Banksy posted an image on Instagram of the shredded painting hanging from the bottom of the frame with the words, "Going, going, gone." Some art experts said that the painting was actually worth more money after this stunt because it got so much media attention that it now is part of our history. But not everyone is a Banksy fan. Many people think graffiti is a form of vandalism and it should be removed. Westminster City Council in London, for example, removed a 7-meter-high Banksy graffiti because they said that keeping it would mean they agreed with graffiti. However, children at the Farm Primary School in Bristol love Banksy. He did a special surprise painting on the side of their school to thank the school for naming one of its classrooms after him. Banksy also said that if they didn't like the painting, they could add their own bits to it.